Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the browser and signing into LinkedIn so the extension can integrate with your account. Open your browser extension store and search the extension name. This is the fastest path to install. Click Install or Add to Browser, then grant the minimal permissions requested, LinkedIn access, notifications, or web pages. Once done, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and refresh LinkedIn so the extension initializes and appears in your profile or messages area. Once installed, open the extension pop-up and complete any sign-in via LinkedIn OAuth. This securely links your account. Make sure to set the scope to only what you need: profile read, message access, or connection management, because less access reduces risks. Next, configure syncing intervals, notification types, and display options so the extension behaves predictably. If the extension scrapes data, set limits. Finally, test a basic action, like viewing a profile card, to confirm the connection and settings took effect. To finalize, run through core features, profile enrichment, message templates, or analytics on a few LinkedIn pages to validate behavior. If something fails, first refresh LinkedIn and re-authenticate inside the extension, because token expiry is common. Next, clear browser cache and disable other extensions that may conflict with content scripts. If problems persist, reinstall the extension and check Browser Console for errors. Make sure automatic updates are enabled and periodically review permissions so the tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.